Om Namo Venkateshaya. Hi all, this is Anand and you are watching GS Anand Creations. Friends, I got an opportunity to do as a volunteer at TTD for Laddu Prasadam. So here I am in Tirupati and I am very much excited. Here along with this, I would like to give an information on free darshan at Tirumala. For this, you need to get into the Vishnu Nivasam, which is quite opposite to Tirupati railway station. To reach out this place, you can use this footover from the Tirupati railway station, or you can use this road. This is the Vishnu Nivasam complex. On the right hand side you can see that's the Tirupati railway station and this is the footover end point. Now get into this complex Vishnu Nivasam. On the right hand side you will find TTD security staff. They'll scan your luggage. This is for security reasons. Here see Sarva Darsham token counters. At the end of the hall you will find these counters. Here in the TV display they'll show you per hour how many tickets are available. In the counter you need to provide your Aadhaar card. Based on your Aadhaar card you will be given the free ticket. Now here I am in Srivari Metro. Starting point is the luggage collecting counter. Here you can give your luggage. You need not carry your luggage while you are climbing the steps. You can pause the video and see the instructions here. We have been given accommodation in Srivari Seva Sadan 2 for gents, and for ladies it will be Srivari Seva Sadan 1. After entering the hall, on left side you will find the reception. Here you need to give your approval letter and employment detail ID card. They'll sign on your approval letter and ask us to go to the registration counter. Here at the registration counter they'll take your pic and they'll give you a temporary ID card. Take that ID card, go back to the reception, collect the scarf, room key and all. Here I have been allotted a bed in hall number 103. You can see all the bunker beds are there. Every individual will be given a separate bed and a locker. This place is very clean. See all the beds. It's almost all like 128 beds are there in this hall, and I have been allotted 51. This is my bed, and here is the locker. In this locker we can keep 2 baggage comfortably. The hall is very cool, very nice, and we have attached toilets. TTD staff they maintain the toilets very clean, very hygiene. You can see the floor and all. It's very nice, clean, and we'll have 24 hours hot water supply and 20 plus bathrooms and toilets are there. And evening we have been called for the satsang program where we have recited Lord Balaji's kirtans. It was very, very nice. The program went up to 1 hour. We enjoyed a lot. After this program, instructor has given us a demo for all Laddu Sevaks, like how to scan the tickets and issue the Laddus. For breakfast, lunch and dinner, we have availed the facility with all the other pilgrims at Vengamamba. All Laddu Sevaks who have come to serve Lord Balaji in my batch were divided into 4 groups. Each batch has been given 6 hours of duty at the Laddu counters. Laddu Sevaks can opt for 4 days Seva and 5 days Seva. As this is the first time I was doing this, I have opted for 4 days Seva that starts from every Thursday to Sunday. First 3 days we were in the Laddu counter giving Laddus to all the pilgrims. The experience was very, very nice. So far we were taking the Laddus from the outside, standing in the queues, but for the first time in my life I was inside the counter issuing the Laddus to all the pilgrims. That experience was fantabulous. And on the 4th day we have been given a temple duty. In temple duty we will have different places for all the volunteers, like Bangaru Vakili, Vendi Vakili, Rope 1, Rope 2 and Srivari Hundi and at Prasadam counters. I was blessed and I got an opportunity at the main temple entrance, that is at Rope 2. For all those 3+ hours, we volunteers were helping the pilgrims go in their queues and have the Lord Balaji's darshan properly. Apart from doing our duty, we got an opportunity to have Lord Balaji's darshan for 4 times, and at the end of the duty we have joined VIPs and had one more darshan. For all Laddu volunteers, TTD will give one special darshan and one free Laddu. And overall, I had 6 times darshan while I was doing the duty in the temple on that particular day. Entire experience as volunteer at TTD can't explain in words. I suggest everyone to do this volunteer seva at least once in their lifetime. I request viewers who have availed this volunteer seva so far, please share your experience in the comments. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and please forward this video to your friends and family members so that they can get a knowledge on volunteer seva at TTD. Thank you.